Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to do about the journal entries from number 1 to number 4. Number 1, the machine needed extensive repair and not worth repairing. So the person disposed so about this machine in here. So for number 1, we have accumulated depreciation. And this one, you got the number in here. And we have machinery. This is for credit, okay? This one for debit. And machinery, that is about 126,000. Because we dispose the machine, that means we have loss on disposal. So we use this number minus this number, and you got about 32,800. So both of them they on debit. This one on credit. And this is the answer for number 1. Number 2, we sold the machine by cash 15,900. So in this case, we have cash on here. And you got about 15,900 in here. Now, we need to compare the total cash and accumulated depreciation. That is about 109,100. So this value in here is smaller than the value of the machinery. So we still have loss on sales. Now we use this one minus all of them. You got about 16,900. And this is for question number 2. Question number 3. We sold the machine by cash 32,800. Now we change the number in here. So if we calculate this one, you got about 126,000. That means in this scenario, we don't have gain or loss something. So we just delete this one. And this is the answer for question number 3. Now we go to the last one. We sold the machine by 40,400. So we add two numbers together. And you got the total is about this number in here. So we can see that this one is bigger than this one. So that means we can on sale. So we use this one minus this one. And we have the final answer. And this is the answer for the last question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.